Hello, this is Shawn Chumbar, and I am going to be showcasing my project for the LLM Ops for generative AI assignment. Now, to start off, I'll go through the directory. So within the Assignment08 directory, we have this README, which details the deliverables due for this assignment, as well as the instructions on any references that I used and the instructions to run the application here. So to start off, let me go a little bit deeper dive. In templates, we have the index.html file, which functions as the front end of the app. And then in app, this is where a lot of the logic is related to the application. So you see we have agent.py, api.py, config.py, and models.py. You do need this .env file, sorry, let me get this out of the way, which will contain the OpenAI API key. So you need to create that in this directory and generate the OpenAI API key. As besides the Python files, besides this main.py, you'll see here we have a Docker compose and Docker file. And this is just so that people with Docker can very quickly spin this up and test it out. And lastly, we have the requirements.txt file, which includes all the requirements needed for this file. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and open up the README. I've already created the .env file with my OpenAI API key. And then we're just going to go ahead and start this up. So firstly, I want to make sure that I am in the Assignment08 AI agent app directory. And then I'm going to go ahead and run docker compose up build. And you'll see here that it is now running. So if we go to, let's see, I'll just open it up here. If we go to main.py and we go to this address with port 8000, you will see 8000. This is the AI agent interface. Now there's three different task types: research, analysis, and general. So for starters, I'm going to ask for research and I'm going to say, can you give me information about AI agents? I need to know any mainstream and popular projects that involve AI agents. If we you can also include any additional context, which is optional. But for now, I'm just going to submit this, and an error occurred for some reason. No worries, let's try this again. Right here. Some popular projects involving AI agents include chatbots for customer support, game playing agents, autonomous robots, stock trading bots, and projects like Claude, AutoGPT, and Project Astra. If we ask it for an analysis, we'll ask, can you give me an analysis on AI agents? Do you think they are going to be more mainstream in the future? And if we submit this task, submit it again. I'm going to give it a second. And it'll tell you here AI adoption has surged with interest in generative AI and a broader set of AI capabilities, blah, blah, blah. And you'll see here it's actually, if I expand this, close this, you'll see it's actually going through and thinking about this. For example, it creates the final answer and says, some popular projects involving AI agents include chatbots for customer support, blah, 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 blah. So this is creating those chain of thoughts, and it's basically solving the answer to the questions based on the task type that we have. And that's pretty much it for my demo. Thank you so much. Have a good one.